Hi, this is Wanling Ma. Today I will go to the speech. In contemporary Chinese films, many films are shooting beautiful, positive energy to the audience, so that we have forgotten that there are still many people living in the plight of society. But there is a director who have directed different kinds of movies. His films show the people living suffering. He said that there are many people they are living in a social couple, but they have flesh and blood, which constitute the backbone of China. So today we will talk about Jia Zhangke and the influence of his films on Chinese film. Jia Zhangke's father was a teacher, so he was influenced by his father since childhood and was addicted to literature. In junior high school, he started writing poetry, forming a poetry club, and even printing poetry himself. In high school, Mr. Jia began to publish his personal novels in Shanxi literature. Thus, what made him be interested in films? Here is the link. Yes, it's a film called Yellow Earth. It affected Jia Zhangke. He discovered that the original movie can describe real life, not just wonderful things. So this made him change his major from literature to film. Unfortunately, he failed to enter Beijing Film Academy. For 2 consecutive years after he decided to change his major, he didn't enter until he changed his major in literature at the age of 23. Although his major wasn't film, he still didn't give up his dream of film. He organized a youth film experiment group and began the practice of making new films. Jia Zhangke started shooting Xiaoshan Going Home in the winter of 1994. In 1996, the film won the second IFVA, the gold medal for the feature film of the Hong Kong Independent Short Film and Video Competition. Yes, it's just this one, Xiaoshan Going Home. This one. And after graduation, he returned to his hometown of Benyang to produce his first feature film, Xiao Wu, and won 8 awards, including the 48th Berlin International Film Festival in 1998. In this movie, as a craftsman, Xiao Wu eventually loses his freedom after losing his family and friendship, and went to the jail. And his film platform aimed to the young people in the front. Then his film platform aimed at young people in the closed country. The film Still Life showed the coal miners behind the great project. The film A Touch of Sin was filmed people who had been bullied for a long time and finally went to crime. These, under the lens of Jia Zhangke, live like wild grass. The visually displayed by them appeared pale and weak in front of the cruel reality, thus forming a huge contrast. Jia Zhangke has been working hard to explore macro characters and groups through movies. He hopes that they also have the possibility of being respected. He hopes that they can be seen and paid attention to. Therefore, he has always aimed these cameras at these small individuals, not successful people and things. he had been interviewed by New York Times. And he said, "I want you to go back to how you react in certain situations dealing with love, loss, and death." The hustle and bustle of an area isn't only propensity and vanity, but many people are still struggling. But these people are exactly the image of most people in China. Jia Zhenke once said, "In the face of the hardship of life, sympathy and courage are the real survival spirit of the Chinese people." This film will make us gradually understand the truth of life and experience the plight of people everywhere around the world. His films have attracted the attention to the most neglected or ordinary people. We may have suffered before, but we choose to pretend to forget. But in fact, we shouldn't let the culture lose the last place. We shouldn't pretend forgetting the huge success under the small surface. We should tell the world that Chinese film culture is still alive. Thank you.